guys and girls, I bring you Dolce from the Noriko Fall 2020 collection. Dolce is a chin-length, layered, and high-volume regular synthetic style. The style has a softly graduated perimeter. It's an affordable basic cap wig. It has all of these layers and loose waves. It's just beautiful. Now it does have permatease, a moderate amount, which is something you should know. Well, let's take a closer look at this pretty short style. Dolce has a basic cap, and as you can see along the front where the bangs are sewn in, there is a little bit of permatease. That's the wiry short fibers that you see. And under this fabric mesh is also a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its stability and shape. On either side are adjustable fabric ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the slender fabric nape are bra-like adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ an inch. Here is Dolce. This is just a gorgeous short style, high in volume and beauty. It reminds me of the Tresilor Charlotte wig. It's slightly different, but a good alternative if you're looking for another style similar to Charlotte. The cap size on Dolce is average. However, the Noriko styles really seem to fit a petite average. So if your head is larger than 22 inches in circumference, you are not going to be comfortable wearing this wig. My head size is 22 inches in circumference, and this cap fits me rather snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. So if you are a petite or petite average, you can definitely wear this style. The fiber is a high quality Moda acrylic regular synthetic fiber. Now this particular style has a little bit of coarseness to it, but it does mimic European human hair. It has just tons of density throughout. And of course, there is permatease at the top of the cap, which gives it the pre-teased voluminous look and helps stabilize the style of the wig. In the back, the fiber has a beveled nape. So this is just a beautifully done style. Now there is no lace front. You have these bangs here at the front. This is what the hairline looks like. And of course, this style is not made to be worn off of the face. There is also no part, no monofilament or lace part, because it is a basic cap. However, as you can see, if you choose a rooted color, it gives the illusion of parting space. That's the great thing about choosing rooted colors on basic cap wigs. It does two things. First, it gives the illusion of parting space. Second, it helps conceal and hide the wiry permatease fibers at the top of the wig. Now usually those fibers are not visible. However, with some lighter colors, say a very light blonde that's unrooted, you might be able from the top of the wig to see the little wiry fibers. Let's take a look at this gorgeous wig from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Ladies, I love the beveled nape and the way that this appears to be a high quality salon haircut. It looks as if you spent a couple $100s at the salon. Right side. Dolce's measurements are 6.1 inches here at the front. The crown measures 7.48 inches long, and the nape measures 2.76 inches long. Now, with a weight of 3 ounces, this is a very lightweight wig that'll take you throughout the day. Let's talk about this beautiful rooted color. Now, you should know the rooted color does require a $20 upcharge, so just wanted to let you know that before you order. This color is Sugarcane R. It is a medium honey blonde with ash blonde blended in. It has strawberry blonde highlights and a dark brown root. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. Dolce comes right out of the box. In fact, I gave the wig a little shake, I did a little finger combing, and that was all. It was a very quick process. The rooted color, of course, gives the illusion of a part being here on the left-hand side. Now, while this doesn't have a monofilament top, you can move the part. See, this is what it would look like in the center. And then we could move it over here to the right for just another real pretty look. If you wanted to, you could certainly take this wig to a wig salon or hairstylist and have them cut the bangs to suit your face shape if the bangs are too long for your liking. This style looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. I just love it. It's very sophisticated looking, but then it also can go to a whole new level if you want to get in here and tease up the volume. You can just make this hair as big and lovely as you desire. You can use styling spray or gel and create all kinds of voluminous looks. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Dolce, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry Dolce in all of the beautiful Noriko colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the homepage, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below the video. If you wear Dolce, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is free. You just click the subscribe button next to the title of the video, and you'll receive alerts every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, a how-to video, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.